Nigerian rapper Odumodublvck has mocked his fellow artist Joeboy, who lost a ₦3 million bet he had placed on Real Madrid beating Arsenal. Joeboy had earlier shared on X, formerly known as Twitter, that he was confident Real Madrid would defeat Arsenal in their UEFA Champions League quarter-final clash. The singer even posted a screenshot of his betting slip with the caption, "Cashing out on Arsenal tears tonight." Unfortunately for him, things didn't go as planned on Tuesday night. Arsenal came out blazing at the Emirates Stadium and completely dominated the game, handing Real Madrid a shocking 3-0 defeat. Declan Rice stunned fans with two incredible free-kick goals, and Mikel Merino added the final blow with a calm finish in the second half. Real Madrid had barely had a chance, as Arsenal defense stayed rock-solid all through. This convincing win put Arsenal in a great position into the second leg. Joeboy's FT bet quickly became a trending topic online, with fans, especially Arsenal supporters, having a few days commenting before, during and after the match. Odumodu jumped on social media with a hilarious post, urging fans to check on Joeboy. As this story gains more traction, you can as well drop your opinion in the comment box section, and keep watching NaijaNews TV.